have an awesome bar chopper from Swift for sale. For the full information on this motorcycle, please check out our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Beautiful purple, white, and silver paint with blue pinstripe. Nothing but high-end components on this bike. S&S engine. Just an awesome motorcycle for sure. Looks beautiful here in the sun. Really comes alive. In case you missed it, again, our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. We appreciate you watching the video. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.